I thought if I dressed like them, played like them, I could be the one of them. But the music were never enough.
Oh, Alfredo, minute-init pa yun. Huwag mo kalimutan kumain bago pumasok ng klase.
Opo, maraming salamat po, Mang Andoy. Salamat po!
Nakatingala, umiiyak, di lamang pinabalata. Patuloy na
Alfredo, look!
dilibang aking sarili
Aida,
upang
every song I sung is for her.
They say hunger is for the poor, but I was starving for something else. And every day, before the sun even rises, I carry my dreams with me.
Pag-iisip, may oras na walang imig, ikaw lang ang nasa isip. May mga tao na
When the bread was gone, the song ended. You were the last note I never heard again. Because I've turned the song meant for you, but never for us.
lungkot at sakit, patuloy na nakakubli.